Taho! Yes, it's real Taho, and it's homemade here in Channel 1. You're watching Channel 1 Kitchen and Garden, a channel dedicated to garden to plate experience. In this channel we grow, cook and share. Let's join Romilo at the kitchen. Hello, how are you today? Welcome to Channel 1, your uncle and kuya here, Romilo. It's cold, you might have noticed, from my attire, from my sweater. That's why I'm fancying something hot for dessert. How about taho? It's not a street food taho. It is homemade taho from 3 basic ingredients. Here, it's soft tofu and the tapioca pearls or sago and brown sugar. To elevate it a bit, I'm using muscovado sugar. Very traditional. So join me and let's elevate this street food taho to a homemade snack. Homemade hot snack. It's homemade, so we are assured of its hygiene. Let's start by boiling the taho, or not the taho, the sago. This is short and simple recipe, so we will have abundant of B-rolls. Just 3 ingredients for this recipe. The tofu, which I'm going to steam later, the sago as a topping, and the syrup, sugar syrup, which we can now prepare by just boiling water, again water, minimum amount. I've got here around 1/4 to 1/2 cup of sugar or of water. I'll just add 1/4 sugar, 1/4 cup. Or al gusto, it depends how sweet you want your syrup to be, but the sweeter the better. I should have used ordinary brown sugar, this is too costly. And into the burner. This begins to complain, so let's try the other burner. And for the meantime, this boils now, so we can add the sago or the tapioca pearls. If you're enjoying this video and you find the instructional value, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so that you won't miss any uploads every Friday. Before I developed my taste for tofu, I used to eat only the tapioca or the sago. Yeah, when I was a kid. And my first taste of taho was in Baguio. I was grade 5. And for the meantime, our syrup is boiling. I like it. Oh. Now I highly recommend the use of muscovado sugar. It really tastes far better than the processed brown sugar. Again. It's addictive. Oh, I can taste the cane sugar, really. I can taste the sugar cane. Not the cane sugar, but the sugar cane. Enough. I think there's no harm in steaming the tofu now, as long as we can keep it warm. Let's use a back burner. The water begins to boil, so we can steam the tofu now. It's my first time to do this, but I'm sure it doesn't hurt to just steam the tofu directly in its plastic container. Yeah. I just punctured holes to allow the steam to evaporate or to escape. "12 to 15 minutes. This is an easy recipe, that's why without even tasting, I'm sure this is good. I'm just going to turn it off. But the sago takes more time to cook, so we'll have to wait. And after more than an hour at low flame, it looks done. I'm going to rinse it to remove the starch or the almidon from the pearls. We don't want it to be sticky. Just rinse it well. Another run. You know where that went. This is a soft tofu that I bought at the Chinese grocery. I just asked them the soft tofu and they said, yes, this is for the soup. This is what you're going to buy. And now let's prepare our taho. Tofu or the taho, the soft tofu, it smells like the taho, really. This is it. Thin slices, as the Magda Taho does it. Thin slices. This is not thin. And then, as I wanted, generous amount of tapioca pearls. Look at that. And finish it with the arnival or the sugar syrup. I'm really happy with my taho. And thank you for joining me here today. No excuse wherever you are in the world, you can make taho. Not from scratch, but from the very ingredients available in your neighborhood. Taho. Healthy, easy. I think it can be sweeter, but it's really good.